Good morning. It's actually afternoon. Lily is still sleeping. You guys have probably heard that we are moving. We're currently in Edmonton, Alberta. We are moving back home to Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan for July and August. And then from there, we're moving again in the fall. We're gonna announce and share that later once everything's more concrete. But I decided I was finally going to commit to vlogging and taking you guys along here. So I will show you. A lot of you wanted to see an apartment tour when we actually had all of our stuff, and now it's basically just a mess of what's left. On Saturday, so 2 days ago, today's Monday, my in-laws, Brennan's parents, they came and took basically all of our stuff. There's Ted. And we just have kind of our like everyday stuff left. I'm gonna quickly get ready while Lily is still sleeping, and then I will take you guys along for the rest of our day. And for tomorrow when we actually leave, we're also heading down to Banff for a couple days, so I'll take you guys there, and I'm sure you're gonna love seeing that. We're getting ready to go out for a little walk. You say hi. We're gonna take Ted out. We're just taking a break from, I'm taking a break from cleaning and packing. Looks like it's gonna rain, but we're gonna try anyway. This is the apartment tour that everyone was wanting to see, and I'm giving it on the day we move out. This is from the main entrance. Oh, sorry. That's okay. Hi. That is Rogers Place, where the Edmonton Oilers play, the NHL team. That's here. The hand sanitizer. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Finally left Edmonton last night at like 10:30. We thought we'd be rolling out of there at like 6:30. Took about 4 hours longer than we expected, but we got out of there. We stayed in Red Deer with Brennan's billet family from when he played for the Red Deer Rebels, and now we are on our way to the Canmore, Kananaskis, Banff area, and we're gonna stay there. I think it's gonna be lots of fun. It's raining, and I think it'll just be so nice for us to be out in the mountains, not in downtown, and I know Ted is gonna love it, and Lily will probably love it. Hopefully Brennan loves it too. Doesn't green mean go?
That's what I thought. Typically, right?
Ow.
Ooh, wow.
Oh, fancy.
Even upstairs, do you know that?
Yeah, it's a loft.
What? I love lofts.
I know you do. It sounds exciting. It's nature. It's so cute, a little patio. Wanna go upstairs? Let's go see. Let's go see Ted. Let's go see Ted. What's up here? Nice. We can look over and spy on your dad. Yeah. Where is he? Brennan, Dad, where are you? Where is he? There he is.
Hi.
Are you being grouchy? Oh, that's so nice. Isn't it beautiful, Lily? Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god, it's so nice. Wow, beautiful. I love it. Oh my god. Wow. We are heading to go swimming, and it is the first time we've gone swimming, or that Lily's gone swimming, in ages. We're out on a little stroll. It is so gorgeous here. What are you doing with Moana? I guess Moana is gonna be ditched in the mountains here unless Lily, why would you leave Moana? You can't do that. Ted is having so much fun. I don't even know. Oh, is he in the water? Oh my, Lily. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my god. Wow, Ted. That's nice. Hi, that's nice. Wig. Are you having fun?
Good.
Yes, you did. You did. Ted having the best time. Oh, well. And Lily. It looks so good. We're just getting back from a walk. Lily is napping and we snapped some photos. Brendan has black cherry ice cream. Mine's cheesecake. And it was the best decision we've made all day. See, Dad, where's your dad?
Hey. Hello. Can you say hi?
Wow, that's nice. Okay. Oh. Jump! Where's your dad? Oh, really cool. Could you see it? Look at this at the start.
With the sun.
Lily is playing a game called put the crayons in the box and take the crayons out of the box. Put the crayons in the box, take the crayons out of the box. Nachos, halloumi. Oh my. We ordered a burger too. It just arrived.
Come on.
This is Lily's new game. Well, Lily and Brennan's new game of let the ball hit Bonker on the head.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice fire. Wow. We're checking out today and I'm definitely sad to leave. It's been so nice, so beautiful. I don't know if I really showed this view, but this is the view from our little balcony. People watching, and then over there that's the cafe that we've gotten. Oh wait, no, it's more around the corner. you want to come out here? It's just so beautiful. That's the water park area that Lily had a blast at, and that over there is the Nordic Spa, and it's not open yet. They don't have any idea when it's going to be open, but I think we're gonna have to come back and check it out. It's so nice. We're just getting some coffee and breakfast at the shop across from Kananaskis Lodge, and someone put Ted on a pillow. Oh my gosh, Teddy, let's see a side by side.
Teddy,
Let's see a side by.
look for it. Hey, no, you're not chewing yourself.
We're checking out. We're leaving. Oh. Are you sad? Are you sad? It's just so nice. We're going back to the prairies. We've made a stop in Medicine Hat, Alberta. We're at a park right now. Ted is running. Lily is running. It was about 3.5 hours from where we were near Banff to here. It's approximately 4 hours from here to Moose Jaw. So we still have a ways to go, but we're nearly halfway there. And it's been going really well. Are you smelling the trees? Hi! Outside.
You see the trap?
Yeah, from the dark to literally like blue sky over there. Hi, Maggie. Hi. We're out on the lake and it's gonna be Ted's and Lily's first boat. Lily. We've made it to our final destination for the next month. We are staying at Brennan's parents' house. It's on Buffalo Pound Lake, which is about 15 minutes outside of Moose Jaw, which is where we both grew up and went to high school and everything. Let's see, who's here? Woof woof.
Good job. Another one. No, it's not for you to bite. Here, down. Down. Can you put it on here?
Wow,
Good
nice.
job. Yeah.
That's gonna be it for this vlog, so thank you for watching. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining, and that'll be it. We'll see you guys next time.